Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Drake, here with some Unlock Phone, and today we have a tutorial for you guys for how to unlock the iPhone 8. This is a very quick and easy tutorial, and using these quick few steps, your phone will be successfully unlocked with any carrier worldwide. Factory unlocking your phone guarantees that you can use your phone with any GSM carrier in the world. This service is quick and easy, and unlocking your phone greatly increases the value of your phone. So to begin, we will first get the IMEI number on the phone. This is a 15-digit number, and previously you used to be able to see this number on iPhones by typing in *#06# on the dialer. However, it has changed to where now you have to go into Settings, General, About, and then the IMEI number will be there. Now, with this number, you will want to write it down, keep it somewhere safe and easily accessible, as we will need this on the computer process. And alright guys, from this step on, we will need a computer or mobile phone device. It doesn't matter, just an internet browser. And here we're going to go to simunlockphone.com. This is our website where we offer our unlocking services. And once we're on the site here, we're going to click Shop. Now we're going to unlock our AT&T iPhone. As you can see, this one is $30. Now once we're on the site here, all we need to type in is our 15-digit IMEI number from earlier, the IMEI status, and the model here. So once I type in the IMEI, and IMEI status here is clean. So if your IMEI is blacklisted or stolen, then it's going to be an extra $85, but if it's clean, don't worry about it. And model iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and now we just click unlock it. Once it's in our cart, proceed to checkout here, and here I'm going to continue all of the payments, and once we do the payment here, then we will be good to go. You complete your checkout and purchase of the iPhone unlock for the carrier that you're looking for. In this case, we will be unlocking our AT&T SIM card and put in a new SIM card from T-Mobile. So in order to do this, after you get the unlock completed email from Sim Unlock Phone, all you want to do is turn off your phone, remove your current SIM card, and put in the new SIM card. So I put in the T-Mobile SIM card here, powered up the phone, and once you power up the phone, all you have to do from there is connect to Wi-Fi, and without any other notification, the unlock is complete. Just like that, we gave you guys a very quick yet easy tutorial for how to unlock your iPhone 8 from AT&T. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a thumbs up for the Sim Unlock Phone YouTube channel. We have much more awesome content coming your way, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.